In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom text animation in Wix Studio. If you're ready to add some flair and creativity to your website, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step to help you get started on creating captivating text animations. First, you need to head over to Wix Studio. This is where you will carry out all your design work. Once you're in the Wix Studio editor, you'll see a variety of options to build and customize your site. For what we're about to do, you're going to want to click on the Add Elements feature. This can usually be found on the left-hand side of your editor's interface. It's basically your toolbox, and it's where you can start adding the building blocks of your animation. Next, look for the Text option among the elements you can add. Clicking on this will give you a range of text styles and options that you can choose from. Selecting the right text is crucial as it forms the basis of your animation. Once you've chosen a text style that fits the look and feel of your website, go ahead and add it to your design space. Now that your text is in place, you'll want to tweak it a bit further for animation. Find and click on the Open Inspector button. The inspector gives you access to in-depth controls and settings for your elements. It's going to be your best friend through the entire process, offering multiple settings to adjust and experiment with. After opening the inspector, direct your attention to the Highlight option. This area allows you to make your selected text stand out with various effects, which enhances the visual appeal of your animation. Following that, explore the Entrance settings. These control how the text will first appear on your site, a crucial aspect for drawing in your audience's attention right from the start. Beyond that, you've got the opportunity to add effects to how the text behaves under different circumstances. By clicking Hover, you can set up how the text reacts when someone hovers their cursor over it, which can create an interactive aspect to your site. The Click section allows you to animate the text when visitors click on it, adding another layer of interactivity. As your animation continues to develop, take a look at the Scroll settings. Here, you can animate text transitions that occur as visitors scroll down the page, enhancing the narrative flow of your site. For a continuous visual treat, utilize the Loop settings, which will keep your animations cycling through endlessly. Last but not least, don't ignore the mouse effects. These settings can overlay some dynamic reactions to cursor movements, making the animations not just visually appealing, but also responsive to user actions. Once you're satisfied with your text animation creation, give everything a review to ensure it blends seamlessly with your design. And that wraps up our walkthrough. We hope this guide helps you craft an exciting touch of animation for your Wix website. Happy designing!